Yeah, this is David Talbot, and I'm the CTO of WorkMovr. Let's talk about continuity and recovery. Well, with Caspio, it's a cloud services situation, so there's no significant hardware risk. But the risks are, most likely is an honest mistake by a well-meaning individual. Someone on your staff or our staff makes a mistake, deletes a file, or does something silly, and we have to recover. Ransomware attacks, pretty unlikely with Caspio because you can't really access the database except through an API or a data page, but it's potentially possible. And also remember, a lot of our clients also use Amazon AWS as a complement to Caspio, okay? And some other hacking. I can't imagine there could be a major Caspio event, but that's in the some other hacking category. So the components that are vulnerable are data in Caspio, Caspio Datapages and configurations, which can be quite complicated, okay? And data and programs in Amazon AWS. And we have a procedure for each of these, okay? We really suggest that you use the daily backups from Caspio. We can set that up for you in Datahub really quickly, inexpensively. But not only that, not only do you need to do the backups, but you need to check the backups. So we do have a component in WorkMovr that after you've done the daily backup that is automated from Datahub in Caspio, that you can go in and you can make sure that the proper record counts and all the proper records got backed up. So there's no point doing backups unless you test them, okay? Caspio Datapages, it could be pretty difficult to reconfigure everything. And so we recommend, you can't do this on an automated basis, but we recommend, depending on how frequently you're changing your configuration, that we do a manual export of your app on a weekly or monthly basis. But also, after we've done the export, we import it again to a test account to make sure it worked. No point doing backups unless you test them. And the same thing with Amazon AWS. Now, please check with your Caspio Customer Success Manager, but there are excellent Caspio recovery services, especially on the Silver plan. Now, this is what I just got from Caspio today, so check with your Caspio CSM. But if you're on the Silver edition, then you have a lot enhanced capability from Caspio. If you're on the standard Grow edition, I think you ought to get together with us and get this piece done here. So thanks very much then. Bye-bye.